Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD LTZ four-wheel drive truck with the remainder of its factory warranty. Loud, proud, lifted, loaded, and luxurious. If you want to see, and more importantly, be seen, then you are looking at your next truck. This immensely capable and powerful truck boasts the Duramax 6.6-litre V8 Turbodiesel paired to the robust Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, generating an impressive 445 horses and a mammoth 910 pound-feet of torque, yet with all of the refinement and creature comforts in its luxury hush cabin to make this one comfortable and a pleasure to drive. If you want to haul your biggest toys, this one has got you covered. And the spacious cabin will mean even your tallest passengers are comfortable on long road trips too. The cabin of this crew cab full-size heavy-duty truck is refined, driver-centric, and furnished with top-notch materials quality. Boasting Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, jet black perforated leather-appointed seat trim, 4.2-inch diagonal color display driver info center, 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen, Bose surround sound system with 6 speakers, digital steering assist, driver alert and LTZ plus packages, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, hill descent control, power sliding rear window with defogger, power sunroof and security system. The eye-catching exterior features a lift kit, oversized wheels and tires, Z92 off-road package, American luxury coach, appearance package, body color front and rear bumpers, grille with chrome bars, custom sport edition with summit white, deep tinted glass, Duramax Plus package, engine block heater, exhaust brake, remote lock-in easy lift and lower tailgate, heated power adjustable outside mirrors, off-road Z71 package, trailer and equipment, turn signal indicator mirrors, roll and lock tonneau cover, and ultrasonic front and rear park assist. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to rush on over and put this meticulous monster through its paces today. With impressive off-the-line acceleration, the ability to tow up to 14,500 pounds or 18,100 pounds with a fifth wheel, well-weighted steering, and serious ground clearance and off-road packages to get you through any terrain, plus remarkable comfort for long-distance trips, you will find this commanding 3/4-ton exceptionally versatile. This is a hard-to-find truck in immaculate condition. Don't blink or you'll miss out. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign, and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.